welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna, but I'm not going to use any ricotta cheese because my kids doesn't like ricotta cheese, so I'm going to leave it out. By all means, use them if you wanted to, but remember to squeeze out all the water from the ricotta, otherwise it will make your lasagna mushy. And for me, if I use ricotta, I'm going to use one layer of ricotta. I think otherwise it's too much. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have here is half and half of ground beef and ground pork, and it has some chopped garlic and chopped onions. Start browning your meat. Next, you add in the chopped garlic and chopped onions, some salt and pepper to taste, 3 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, put some marinara sauce on the bottom of your lasagna pan. Put the rest into the meat to make a meat sauce. So I'm going to salt the water for the lasagna noodle. Now you start layering your noodles. Remember to overlap them. Next layer is your meat sauce. Then mozzarella cheese. And then you repeat with a layer of noodles again. Meat sauce. Then I cover the foil wrap and go into the oven at 325 for about 10-15 minutes. I take it out of the oven, remove the foil wrap. Now I add in the last layer of cheese, mozzarella cheese. Now don't skip on the cheese this time, use a lot of cheese. Parmesan cheese. And I also like to sprinkle with a little bit of garlic salt for a little bit of kick. Go back into the oven without the foil wrap to melt the cheese. There you go. Hot and gooey and cheesy lasagna. Bon appetit!